Hey, what's going on, guys? Once again, it is me, Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. That's right. And once again, you know what time it is. Time for my hot pick of the day. But before I get to that, like always, do me a favor. Why don't you smash those buttons for me? That's right. Like the video, comment if you don't like it, let me know why, subscribe to the channel, and also hit that notification bell. Anytime I put up some new content, you won't be left in the dark and you know exactly what I'm doing. So let's get into it. Today's hot pick of the day is none other than Zoom. That's right, that web conferencing you guys all do your web chat meetings on. A lot of businesses use it for web meetings, and it is my hot pick of the day. Not much news on it, but there was a little tidbit on Thinkorswim. They said option traders were also buying Zoom Video Communications Inc. in big numbers. Around 10,000 contracts of the November 65 calls were traded, and John Najarian, I believe, jumped in the trade and is planning to hold the position. He's like a big options guy, so he jumped in, and 10,000 contracts on that 65 in November. So a lot of people getting in on that, and the reason why it is my hot pick of the day, well, it hit my gap down reversal scanner. Now you might wonder, what is a gap down reversal scanner? Well, my gap down reversal scanner looks for stocks that are down more than 10% within the last, I believe, 10 days or so, and is just crossing over the 5 EMA on the daily. So basically something that's gap down and looking to break back above. So hit my scanner, and some excessive options trading. So Zoom is my hot pick of the day, and of course we can't just go by hype. We gotta go to the charts and see what's popping. Now, as you can see, Zoom started here in April with its IPO and blasted up to about 107, and then it's just been on a slow decline. And with the IPO lockdown period, also it had a little drop, but we might be seeing the bottom here. As you can see, I'm a big Fibonacci retracement trader, so I took this leg here from the 107.34 high down to this leg at 76.81, and now we are looking at this 64.17 area to hold. And as you can see, this gray line here is my 5 EMA on the daily, and you can see it crossed and closed over that, so that's why it hits my scanner. It was down quite a bit, and now crossing over the 5 EMA. I'm looking for continuation, and a hold of this 64.17 will be a great confirmation that it will continue up. Let's look on the intraday chart. As you can see, popped up and dipped down right here and held this 64.17 level, which is my daily fib, and kind of just hovering above it but below the VWAP today. We'll look for a bump on this 64.17 tomorrow, hold, and maybe a continuation back up. Let's look at the intraday fibs for some confirmation. As you can see, started down here at 62.76 and popped all the way up to 65.91, and my 50% retracement on the intraday is this 63.88, which it held, which is pretty close to the 64.17 area. So tomorrow we'll look for the hold of this 63.88 or 64.17 for a continuation back up, possibly to this high of 65.91, or this is the daily 9 EMA at 66.17 on the intraday level. And long term, if this thing could channel back up, it might go all the way back up to 76.81 on the long term on the daily chart. So definitely something to watch tomorrow, and those are the levels to look at on Zoom, and the ticker is ZM, not Zoom. There is another company with the ticker ZOOM, and I think when it first IPO'd, people were trading that actually. And not the ticker ZM. So remember, Zoom, ZM, not ZOOM, and that is the hot pick of the day. All right, there you have it. That is my hot pick of the day on Zoom. That's right, the ticker ZM, not ZOOM. So be sure to check that out. Don't forget, smash those buttons for me. Do me that favor. You can like the channel, like the comments, subscribe, and also hit that alert so anytime I put up some new content, you will be notified immediately and can take advantage of all that good stuff. All right, it's all good. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, signing out for now, reminding you to plan your trade, trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Aloha.